Hello! Welcome to UpsideDownCrypto. In this video, I will explain what Chia coin is in simple terms. I'm also working on tons of videos on how to generate passive income using crypto technology. We love sharing these videos with you. It does take a lot of time and effort putting them together. If you want to support us, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. That will help the YouTube algorithm and will help us out. Thank you, and let's get started. Chia coin was founded by Bram Cohen, the founder of the famous BitTorrent. In 2018, Cohen published his proposal to use proof of space and proof of time for a new cryptocurrency. And in 2019, the official white paper, or green paper as they like to call it, was published. Let's just make it clear that proof of space, or proof of capacity, is not a new protocol. Burst coin was launched on the concept of proof of space back in 2014. And as you can see, they've had a hell of a roadmap, with their first official pool launching before 2015, something Chia is still struggling with. The historical prices are available on CoinMarketCap, and as of today, they're standing at around 1 pence per burst. It's also worth noticing Space Mint, another proof of capacity cryptocurrency proposed in 2015 by Sunu Park, who graduated from the MIT. I will dive deeper into the proof of space or proof of capacity in other videos. But for now, this is what you need to know. Bitcoin uses the proof of work protocol for its consensus mechanism. This process uses a lot of energy and is very CPU or GPU intensive. It has also resulted in bespoke Bitcoin mining machines called Application-Specific Integrated Circuits, or ASIC. An ASIC miner basically refers to a device that uses microprocessors for the sole purpose of mining digital currency. Generally speaking, each ASIC miner is configured and constructed to mine a specific digital currency. So a Bitcoin ASIC miner can only mine Bitcoin, it can't mine Ethereum, and an Ethereum ASIC can only mine Ethereum and it can't mine Bitcoins. So that brings us right to the topic of environmental impact when it comes to mining Bitcoin or Ethereum. As a result of the need for power-hungry bespoke machines just for the sake of mining crypto, proof of work becomes a very ineffective way of mining cryptocurrency. It's becoming such a problem that in some parts of the world, people are having electricity blackouts in residential areas, including hospitals, because the country's infrastructure cannot cope with the amount of energy these new illegal mining farms or even legal mining farms require. So one alternative would be proof of space, which is claimed to be more energy efficient. So Chia uses the proof of space consensus mechanism. So basically, in very simple, naive terms, you reserve some space on your hard drive, which is not used, and in return, you're helping to keep the network decentralized, and as a result, you get rewarded in Chia coins, which currently stands at around $660. This is apparently more eco-friendly because you're using your free space on your hard drive that is not being used for anything else right now. And hard drives are very energy efficient and they are cheap to buy. And you can always repurpose them if you're not interested in mining Chia in the future. It barely affects your electricity bill compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other proof of work concepts. So there are two parts when it comes to mining Chia. First, you need to create plots. This is where the eco-friendly statement becomes a bit confusing. To create these plots, you require CPU, commercial solid-state drives, and plenty of RAM. It's worth mentioning that the plotting process can kill your solid-state drive, as each solid-state drive has a life cycle, and a domestic solid-state drive won't last more than a few months. And to have a chance of getting rewarded Chia coins without joining any Chia pools, by the way, I have a full video on Chia pools, make sure to check it out, link in the description. You're going to need a lot of Chia plots. This is because the network is growing very, very rapidly. This first step, creating plots, could use a lot of energy and resources, but nothing compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum mining. I have a separate video about that. When a plot is completed, it will automatically move to your cheaper, slower standard hard drive. That could be external or internal. Once you have your plots, you can start mining, or as Chia refers to it as farming. You can farm on the same plot for up to 2 years. And farming uses very little energy. You can basically farm on any old machine. You can even farm on an old Raspberry Pi 4. You don't need any fancy machines to start farming. So once you have your plots to farm, you just need a small machine. Just plug in your hard drive and that's it. Let it run and it will do its thing. All this ease of use has been made possible because of the Chia app. So you can download the Chia app for free. You can use the GUI or you can use the command line. Make sure to check out the Chia's website and read the green paper, and there's tons of information on the website on how you can proceed. I've made several other videos on how to start mining Chia. Make sure to check them out. I'm working on some really exciting Chia alternative videos, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you get notified when my next videos are out. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it, and I hope you found it useful. Till the next video, crypto out.